A major partnership between the Jamaican and French Red Cross is revolutionizing the way thousands of people in southern St. James access drinking water weeks after Hurricane Melissa. Using their own skills and creativity, the agency is pumping gallons of water from 7 rivers to the people free of charge. Kalisha Williams has our story.
It's been weeks of hardship in southern St. James since Hurricane Melissa.
We don't have the water like how we used to have it. There's no light, so the pump house now work.
From a supermarket, you have to go buy water. I'm not telling no lie.
How much is that?
Well, two of them are sell them jug there. 4 bills are now for them, and 500 them are selling for.
Now hope. Thanks to a partnership between the Jamaican and French Red Cross, a project which took both skills and creativity. Team leader for the French Red Cross mission in Jamaica, Mark Pastal, explained how it works.
First, there is a filter. It's a membrane filter, okay? So the water goes through the membrane, and then it goes to the carbon filter, okay? For the taste and all the microparticles, okay? And then at the end of the way, we had chlorine, of course.
They allow it to sit for 30 minutes and then...
That's clean water, drinkable water, 100%, okay? And to make sure our process is good, we are tested it like very often.
Tested with these machines, especially to see if there is enough chlorine. And since it was set up, thousands of people have benefited.
I can't stop thank them, brother. I can't stop, you see me? Yeah, man, because I know I really see one water commission van pass, but I see them are people that provide water for we drink.
The team that come together and do this kind of work, we realize it's not a team where just talk, but the action even speak more than the voice. We save back a lot of money. Yeah, and that we love. Because we never have no work. I hope people not go out since the hurricane.
Outside of the supermarkets, this is now their only source of drinking water, and there is no clear indication when they will get back water in their pipes. Counsel for the Cambridge Division, Javane Baker, explained the challenges with getting waters to the people through other avenues.
We're not able to truck as easy because a lot of our contractors got some amount of damage, they got displaced. So to be able to have this assistance from the Jamaican and the French Red Cross is solving a crisis situation for more than 5,000 persons within this area.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.